To manage background usage limits for apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery right here, and then you can scroll down to the background usage limits. After that, you'll be able to see 4 options. First one is put unused apps to sleep. You can enable or disable it. This is basically a functioning of background usage limits. So when it's enabled, it will put unused apps to sleep so that they won't consume battery on your device, and it will happen automatically. You can also click on never auto sleep apps, and then you'll be able to add which apps should never go to that sleep mode automatically. Then there's the option to see all of the sleeping apps, and you can manually add apps that you want to put to sleep right there. And there's also option for deep sleeping apps. This is basically the same thing, but here if you add apps, they will also not receive any updates, and they won't be able to send notifications. They will basically cease to function like you would disable them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.